sometimes wonder how much of our inner conversation is about the future. Not necessarily big fears, just those thoughts that easily surface. When I've sorted this out, when I've saved enough, when I can finally have certainty about something, then I will be okay and at rest. Jesus tells a beautiful story, a life story. A man's land produced very well. The harvest was larger than he actually expected. So he decides to tear down his barns and build bigger ones. And then he says to himself, "So, you have many good things stored up for many years. Take life easy, eat, drink, be glad." Now, what stands out in this story is that the man is not only talking about his harvest, he speaks to his own soul. He believes that what he has built up will finally give his soul rest. Now, I wonder if this way of thinking is closer to ourselves than we actually realize. Jesus does not say here that it's wrong to plan, but Jesus' story raises the question, where do I expect my heart will finally find rest? Is it in what I achieve, in what I accumulate, in what I can control? Or simply put, is it actually in God's care? Now, later in the conversation, Jesus invites his disciples to look to the Father, the one who knows what they need, the one who is already present before tomorrow and all our worries arrives. And perhaps trust begins right there. Not by living less responsibly, but by honestly noticing where my heart runs when I do feel uncertain. And then slowly and openly opening that space and that place before God, so that my rest can slowly take root in Him, rather than in everything that still needs to be worked out. So to practice this today, when you feel uncertain or anxious, do this. Stop in that moment. Don't ignore what's happening to you. And then you ask yourself this golden question, where is my heart running to now? Name it honestly to God. Father, this is where I am. This is how I see it. This is how I'm dealing with it. And ask Him, help me see you in this. And then you go on, you continue with your day. Not because everything is now solved, but because you are no longer alone in this uncertainty of your life.